In the wild, there is a leaf frog hiding on a leaf while waiting for insects to pass by. Extraordinary ecosystem in this world. This frog always waits for rain to breed. Amazingly, there are beautiful little insects on the green leaves. This insect lives in tropical nature and mostly in Asia and forest in Indonesia. Okay, let's zoom in on the camera and look at this extraordinary little creature with all the colors on its body, of course, to protect itself from predator. Very beautiful insect. He is a butterfly. The grass lizard or sky lizard is a type of long and slender lizard from the Lateridae group, which is widespread in tropical Southeast Asia. The Java whip frog, bamboo tree frog, jar tree frog, or striped tree frog Polypedates leucomastax. Have seen it below, 3,000 meters above sea level. The yellow dragonfly is an Indonesian insect belonging to the order Odonata, the tail. James black spots that contrast with the yellow color. Usually this dragonfly can be found in tropical forest in areas around bushes or grasslands, which are not far from water source. Caterpillar are insects. This caterpillar has protection on its body in the form of spines that resemble tree branches. The edges of the body are bright red. If in danger, the spines will secrete a yellow sticky liquid. Ants are all insects belonging to the Formicidae family, Hymenoptera order, and have more than 12,000 type species, most of which live in tropical areas. The starfish Leptocoryso oratorius fabricius, Hemipetra, Alidida, Sin. Istry, an insect that is an important pest of cultivated plants, especially rice. Grasshoppers are herbivorous. Insects from the suborder Califera in the order Orthoptera. This insect has antennae that are almost always shorter than its body and also has a short ovipositor. Grasshoppers reproduce in large numbers. Male and female grasshoppers mate when summer turns into autumn. The male grasshoppers fertilizes the female grasshoppers, which lays eggs and will form the next summer's grasshoppers population.